Hey guys, this is Pete from MyJewelryBench.com. Today I'm taking a little break from the normal rigmarole of watches, and I'm going to post a little review of a product that I bought that, I just thought I'd check it out. I've been dying to get a pair of Apple earpods, but they're hard to get, they're always out of stock, and they're expensive. So I decided to, since to be honest with you, most of the time these things end up in my washing machine because I always forget to take them out of my pocket, I figured just go for the knockoff versions of these things. So I did a review, or I did a search on Amazon and found these. These are left and right earpod imitations, I guess we'll call them. They're a little bigger than the Apple version. Battery life on these is pretty good. About the only issue that I've had with these AirPods is that, I don't know if I should use AirPods, with these Bluetooth earphones is that they give me a problem connecting once in a while, but I think that might be more me than it is the actual earbuds themselves. So what do you get in the box? Well, in the box you get, let's see if I can open it up here, you get this little instruction manual, you get the left and right earpod or earbuds, and you get this Y-type connector that plugs into a USB port and has a couple of little jacks that plug into the bottom of each earbud. So how this works, when you want to charge these, you plug that right in there. Doesn't matter which one you use. We'll plug the other one in, and then this would go into one of those convenient little AC to USB charger adapter blocks that you can buy just about anywhere, and most of us have a bunch of extras. It does not come with the little charging block, the AC adapter, but it does come with the cord and the earbuds. So when you are ready to start listening to whatever it is you listen to, like I tend to, when I'm fixing watches, I tend to listen to audiobooks, kind of like audiobooks, sometimes educational, sometimes entertaining. Anyway, what you do is you turn the first one on and it'll turn on. Let's see if we get that. You'll see the blue light comes on and it'll try to pair with my phone, and then you turn the other one on. And that one should turn on. And then just tap it and it syncs to both each other as the left and right channel, as well as your device. I currently have these hooked up to my iPhone. So now the neat thing is, if you push and hold it, it'll turn off, and when one turns off, they both turn off. And they are both off. These things are pretty good. Okay, so let me finish up with what I actually think of these things, because, you know, that's important. I really don't like buying cheap junk, and these are pretty good. They're well built, very well built. They're very durable, hard shell plastic. They fit in my ears very good. I don't get the feeling of being uncomfortable. You have a specific left and a specific right earbud. There are power buttons on both. One cool thing that I like about these is you can use one or the other. So if you only wanted to have one in at a time, you could do that, or you can listen to stereo with both. And that's kind of nice. The other thing is the sound quality and audio quality. I have noticed that with music, these are fantastic. The audio quality while playing any kind of music, and I listen to a lot of different things, classic, country, rock and roll, all kinds of stuff, and it sounds good with all of them. The only audio quality that I think is poor would be from audiobooks. Whenever I'm listening to an audiobook, for some reason, it sounds a little echoey, a little tinny, and for some reason, I don't know if it's audible.com or iTunes, but it just comes out a little bit poor. Charging is quick. I believe these charge in about an hour or so, and I've been getting about 3 hours, maybe a little more, almost 4 hours, using both of them. So one of the things I've noticed, that when you have multi-use of these function buttons here, let's see if I can zoom in here, and when you tap them, once or twice or whatever, it's supposed to stop. Push it once and it'll stop the music, push it again, it'll start the music. If you hit it 2 times or 3 times or something, it's supposed to, I don't know if it goes to the next track or goes on to call on the cell phone, the last number dialed, and for some reason it always does a redial on my phone. So maybe it's just me and I haven't figured it out. So that's pretty much it with the earbuds. I really like them, guys. They're really nice. You can't beat it for like $25, $30. I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can get these on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a credit when you do buy these, and you know that goes to help keep this channel going. I know it has nothing to do with watches, but you know, sometimes you want to sit and listen to something while you're doing it, so not to be disturbed. The other thing you get in here is the instruction manual. Comes in 2 languages, Chinese, which I don't speak or read, and English, which is a somewhat good translation. Doesn't explain the use of the multifunction buttons very much. It is compatible with Android and Apple, and it does at least explain to you how to get these synced up. Remember, this is Bluetooth 4.2, so these are a little bit older versions of Bluetooth. Now they're coming in Bluetooth 5, and that's the device that I'll put in the link below. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick review. These are pretty good. If you are an active person, you like walking, I walk my dog, putter around the yard, whatever, these things are great because they've got no cords kind of hanging down. And, you know, the price can't beat that because, you know, if you're like me, I've washed just about every headset I've ever owned by throwing it in my pocket when I was done listening to something and forgetting it was there. So if you're like me and these get washed in the laundry, well, it's $29, $30 as opposed to $160 from Apple. And, you know, you can get these a lot quicker. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Have a good day and happy watch hunting.